Hello, I'm here to talk about the neuron instruction, the type of neurons and the functions. Let's start with the structure. This little circle right here is the nucleus. The little tips around there is usually the dendrites. This is where you get the signal from here, and then you transmit it into an electro signal into the axon terminal. And then as you can see here, this is where the synapse happen between the axon terminal and the dendrites. Basically, to be able to transmit the signal, the axon terminal has to connect to another dendrite. The types of neurons, well, they are ascending and descending type of neurons, and there's also interneurons, which these are mostly inside the brain. And then sensor neurons, the function, they're always receiving information from another sensor receptor of the body. Um, they are responsible for comparing information that they receive, and then they transform it into an electrical signal that could be sent through the neural path to be able to receive by the CNS. The sensory nerves are unipolar, which means the sensory nerves only have axons but do not have any dendrites. The motor neurons, there are two types of neuromotor. There's the alpha, which is usually more common, and is in the spine. Or another way that one is known as motor horn cells. Uh, the horns of the spinal cord have many dendrites. A lot of branches of the axon connect to the skeleton muscle fiber. Another type is the hemimotor neuron, which supplies portion of a skeletal muscle called a transfusor, which that one's not really common. There's not a lot of information about that one. And then interneurons. Interneurons originate and terminate in the brain or spinal cord. The functions to connection between axons descending from the brain and the synapse axon terminal on the motor neuron axons from sensory nerves and the spinal nerves ascending to the brain. And that's it.